Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. So now TikTok recently give a new update of the repost. You can see if you don't find this repost option, how you can get it. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. So to fix it, first of all, you have to open your Play Store. And you have to search for the TikTok. One you will open it, update it from here if it's not updated. Maybe that's why it's not showing that you are using the old version. Moreover, if you still don't find it after updated, so you have to go to the settings of your phone. So scroll down and here tap on applications and permissions. In applications and permission, tap on app manager. So scroll down and search TikTok. Tap on TikTok. In TikTok app info, tap on internal storage. And here you can see the last option, clear cache. Tap on clear cache and you have to clear your storage and log in to your TikTok account again. Maybe it will start working, but if you still won't find it, it means this feature is not available in your country. In this way you can fix repost option not showing on TikTok. So this was the process by which you can fix repost option not showing on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.